Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down. Tap on Font and Display Size. Scroll down again and finally operate this font size slider to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you're ready to save your changes, tap on Apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!